Saturday, December 20th at 10:40 a.m. and I'm over at Frontenac Provincial Park doing the Frontenac Christmas bird count here with my friend Mike, and we're just walking in to see if we can see the red-headed woodpeckers. It's mostly cloudy now, calm, and minus 5 degrees. "12:27 and we've reached the area where the woodpeckers are more abundant along the small wooded swamps, and we've got red-bellied woodpecker, hairy and downies. Now we just have to find the red-headeds, but the activity has increased in this area.
Scanning for the woodpeckers. We're hoping for good luck.
So we're very lucky that we happened to get the heavy rain the other night, because it washed probably 3/4 of the snow base away, making it much more easy to walk in here today. Otherwise we'd be traipsing through 1.5 feet of snow probably. So it's about 12:50 right now. We're just sitting here at the main observation point, looking out into the treed swamp.
There it is.
Oh, you found it?
Yeah.
Oh, good, because we were basically just saying how dead it looks out here. But one has been sighted, apparently.
And a chickadee.
So we lucked out, and there's at least one adult red-headed woodpecker out here. We've got a couple pictures of it. We'll sit here for a while longer and see if we see any more.
Yeah.
Are you happy?
I'm very happy.
Are you happy with the red-headed?
I'm very happy. I don't need more than one.
That should put us at the top of the bird count, eh?
Yeah, the hiking was worth it.
So 1:25 and we're just getting ready to head back, but we managed to see 2 red-headed woodpeckers here.
Mission accomplished.
Mission accomplished, yes, and our whole walk-in was not in vain, so a good outing, and always nice to see these rare birds when you can get a chance. So beautiful. Both of them were adults, so nice with the bright white and black and the red head. And hopefully there's a few others here keeping them company. Anyhow, I guess we'll get started on the long walk back. Sounds like another downy off to the right here. .230 and we're just at the mica mine once again with the pits. We've been making better progress on the way back because we're going a little faster, and most was downhill from the start heading back. We're now back into a hilly area. Okay, it's 3:30 and we're just finishing up our hike here at Frontenac Park to look for the red-headed woodpeckers. And we were successful finding 2 different birds after a long hike in and a long hike out. So I guess this ends our hike here at Frontenac Park.
We're ready for hot chocolate.
On December 20th, 2025. Another Frontenac bird count done for us.
Signing out.
Signing out. And the gray skies that have been with us continue. And we're looking at high winds tonight, perhaps.